Profoundly, we penetrate the minds of the people and using them pineal glands with power.
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Rebel Salutes 2023, brought to you by Jinxing Up, distributed by Massive Distribution Limited. Alright, so DuttyBerry here, Rebel Salute 2023 with the artist Yaksta. Yaksta, talk to us about the performance. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Oh, tired?
Yeah, man, go home.
Yeah, real sample you to know about, like, walk us through, like, what was your game plan for this particular performance?
Aim and execute. You understand? Execution is key for Yaksta the Bush lad. They don't know. And we are trying to preserve reggae and dancehall in a unified shell. You understand? Because real and truly, many people might classify me as a reggae artist, but I'm both. You understand? Sometimes you have to differentiate that on the platform them will get and make them know. Big up to all the young artists them who are forward set speed. You can expect nothing but greatness from us because we are great individuals, young and sprouting. Big up Duttyberry same way.
Yeah, you just bring up an important point. Do you find that people tend to want for us like corner you off in the reggae lane and you're trying to kind of show, say, yo, I am not just like just a one-dimensional reggae artist, but more if you see me more as a dancehall artist as well?
Well, I'm not try. Show them. Because it's a boy brave, you know. Remember, it's a risk need to take, you know.
Yeah.
Because without risk, there's no reward. You understand? And then you have to make people understand your repugnance when expressing.
Yeah.
You understand? So, profoundly, we penetrate the minds of the people and using them pineal glands with power. You understand? That comes from melodies and cadences and keys. You see me? Yeah, Duttyberry.
Okay,
yeah, man.
One thing, you know, Yaksta, you are full with the vocabulary. Like, you always are going to drop the words, them, the alliteration, the metaphor, man. The similes. It's just like, man, your brain. Yeah. We can't tell, say, read Whole Heap and watch Whole Heap show and stuff.
Well, big up to my mother still. I never really, deprived from academia. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, she beat me morning, noon, and night going to read. So
pick up your book.
Big up Chupsy same way, you know?
Oh, Chupsy.
Yeah, man, the outside.
Okay, what's the name? No more, I forgot to ask now, like, compared, is the artist thing, like, lucrative? Like, it had feel like a while now, compared to, like, the farming, like, it's not decent, like, also, because everybody at an artist these days, more often know.
Everything's a challenge. And every youth, all of you can sing. If you make money, enter it. You hear that? Now follow them.
Yeah.
Sing anything we want to sing. It's a platform for you express. And here I come go on. Broke life no nice. You ever hungry and can't buy no food. So if you sing a song and make your money, just go and sing a song. Just don't miss the people with foolishness. That's all I ever say with you.
Alright, Yaksta, I know say you're an artist who you're very honest. More I forgot here, like, how would you rate you yourself as a performer?
3 million.
Oh,
Jesus Christ. 3 million.
Great Jesus, yeah, being confident.
Yeah, man. What's that? I mean in the microphone. You see me? Full of confidence. You see me? Yeah,
alright,
man.
so my little birdie tell me say you have an album a drop and it's something it's probably going to have like about 18 tracks, so tracks, whole heap of collaborations.
Yeah,
talk to us about it. And tell us some of the collaborations that you will be having on that project.
Big up Reggae King on the road to recovery. My brother, I love to see him from my heart. Kitch God and team, Black State, executive production, Woos Music, Afro Boy, 18 tracks featuring yours truly. Monifa, you don't know, we have DeMarco, we have Chronicler, Big up Chanel, Reggae King. You can expect reggae, you can expect dancehall, you can expect an infuse of both. I'm a piano, big up Guilty Beats and Kelty Beats and Runner Beats, same way.
Yaksta 22, why that name?
22 is a significant meaning for me. The year I start doing music professionally, the year I get my first child, 2022 I get the most accolades. Where you can, as a young artist, you understand? Even though formally and publicly we're not being praised, but people praise you in an incognito. But I may say Jamaica has been nothing but blessing to Yaksta, and I cannot be ungrateful, you understand? So expect nothing but conscious, uplifting music, because here I come go on. We're not going to broke out. You understand? We make the girl them dance, but we're not degrade no man. You hear that? I'm going to teach you them the best way we can teach them. I'm going to enjoy myself. I'm going to want nobody box me. Like a box me, like a box it out.
And speaking of that, what do you think about the Bolt SSL situation?
Well, that's a politics. I'm not a politician.
Alright, so finally, before we leave now, we're going to play a quick little game. So I know you know all the things. This is a game where I'm going to give you a letter, and you have to give me a reggae artist with that with that name, right? So if I say A, you have to give me a reggae artist with a name, then I'm going to go down and see how far you can reach. If you can reach at least to J, I can say, yeah man, you win this. Right. You ready?
Yeah man.
A.
Anthony B.
Alright, B.
Bounty Killer.
C.
Capleton.
D.
DeMarco.
E.
Elephant Man.
F.
Fantan Moja.
G.
Gangali.
Oh, Jesus Christ. G. H.
What am I say? Harry Tadler.
I.
Hitman.
J.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Jeremy and Michaels.
Oh, but that's Jesse Royal. See if we can go above that.
Yeah, Jesse Royal, the same way.
K. Let's see if we can at least go K. Because nobody not go K yet.
King Moses.
That count?
Yeah, man, it's still
No,
count.
that count?
Yeah.
Alright, crowd.
I remember you have Kang, you know.
Okay.
You have Kang.
Okay, alright,
Yeah.
you want to big up yourself now, Yaksta.
Yeah, man, I push
Yeah,
that,
man.
bush, you know.
Alright, yeah.
I never felt more alive to sing the right thing. Get to use to the right thing. Just be patient, pray God and timing. Time longer than rope, but flash fast than lightning. Just be patient, pray God and timing. And from a greatness timing. Oh yeah. And from the farm to the fortune. I stand pipe on the bathroom. Who those non-glass you? Bro, this was all the in a classroom. A push boy making bathrooms. Express time struck by the bathroom. The UFO glass dark boom. We never think but me travel with a large load. A celebration, result of my dedication. Hard bad baby pagan. Doctor can't stall elevation. A celebration, result of my dedication. Hard work for every patient. Doctor can't stall. Bounce below. When me from the webby dog have chance. Big June drop make me gone advance. It's a process, no one all at once. Grateful, me prayer never short of dance. Could you know? Be a stage show say yo. Back people say so. So never get the wind to go below. A celebration, results of my dedication. Hard bad baby pagan. Doctor can't start elevation. A celebration. People who try and struggle until they recover their life. Celebration is a must. Every man, every woman, every kid. Let's push that one to this one more time. Push forward. A celebration. Results of my dedication. She's my dedication. Doctor can't start elevation. A celebration. Results of my dedication. Hard dedication. All the hard-working farmer them, the industrious people them, self-employed. And we say, come on, we're right. You get that? Something kind of way. Listen. I don't business with things, bro. Me have my own right to life with things, slow. At least we get to get this so up I can tea and about the best things, no. I don't feel like life is drink dark ain't so. I feel like jump on the road and fight down. Me have from belly but I fell spend down. Hey, I go bend the bush and stand down. Fix me, find out. I sit over my dog and they breathe. True contribution and NHC. So I qualify for your loan. And use that money and purchase a home. White man serve and say me and see. We can hear you suffer and get me honor. Foundation, sit and hear this country song. But me know them. Up in a vote, fuck a skill and fun support you. Yeah, the motion go take a long. To put a box on the road, bro. Myself be a hold, bro. Because I'm supposed to. So come the men left alone. And run every trash run. Them say, a violence I ain't thing. But every unit garrison is take up a gun dead. I mean say life over dead. 23 and beyond. Badness not go nowhere. And they can't nowhere more than a coffee. Listen me kid. See them with prayer all until them prayer all. What we do? Build up a cup and get some layer fall. Circle every small business but they are town. Sell them it for them just straight alone. Party when me make Monday alone. I'm on here than beef one day alone. We use business for excessive it's part of the year. So it's come. Every girl and them done again. But we gon' finance. Don't have me, but the game is selling ya. I try multiply, paneling up with me ya. I sell clothes if me can't find her. You go over my ticket, me one strap bag. Four confiscate and laptop grab. Police stop me shot, then I come grab. And then you realize I was not that. This song is new. But I want to take the time out to pass on a message to everybody. Oftentimes some people blame drama from past events when the problems start to themselves. They're hateful of somebody else who will exceed past them and they can't fathom that. the line of the darkness. Stop move like on the wireless. But tell me nothing more like the so bad. Whoa. Turn me rough like a drive on wireless. Regretful life, a little conscience. So sad there. Buffalo, somehow no down patient. I walk a look patient. Envious with a heart full of hatred. I make jealousy turn them in a fake friend. Remember buildings start from a pavement. Is I think now for dark like basement. No so-called fake friend, real bucket label through them elevating. Bad to bad blood people no fans up. Everybody can't so evil to watch up. When you're not at the reason you're dance through plane and lift up on your nose and you can't go. She a witch now, true she you can't touch. No guy come, true she you can't love. Fast my girl it's a girl just to argue sometime and then your boss your conscience a hand up. But if I shine like the light of your darkness. Stop down like on the wildness. But then you don't know like the sun. Right now, he's down in Jamaica cause the man is ill. Back up in the woods and double for ill. And there's to the outhouse made a bird wood. And there live a country boy named Johnny B. Good. Yeah, he never learned to read or write so well. But if you play guitar like a ringing a bell, everybody sing. I miss it, go, go, Johnny. I miss it, go, go, Johnny. Johnny be good, good, good. Hey, I miss it, go, go, Johnny. Yeah, I miss it, go, go, Johnny. Reggae can't dead. It's because it's positive. Them keep on fighting. Watch out. I miss a country come a town. Beeping on the mount. Put a credit on my phone. Brother Giddy and my sound. Herbs by the pound. Cash sheet for ground. Traveling luggage time. I miss a go. Go Johnny. Johnny be good tonight. I miss a go. Johnny be good. Excuse me, no pagan. Me not seek validation. Post and admiration. From me now your patrons. You're boasting about name brands. But cost over 8 grand. But that's all that we see about. For the cost of a street man. Everybody say. Oh, we know we're just. And why should I do it? There is a target. No, we have a face. Never find me for trendy. But I can't get it. Don't hear tempting. Still watch how me spending. 9 pound 12 quoted. $1 billion when they get big. Build up a ranch and rent it. Don't produce must spend it. High spot to vent it. Rich man can't send it. When me do partner job, me fix mine. I'm in a big time. Black chains on a trombone. Give on this inside. Buffalo. It's messing up a match. Get back to which church? Back a boy look around. I try to run bush land and I done. Everybody sing, he a got up. Gamsa. Give me the tomato. Give me the up. Run this up. Run this up. Give me this up. Give this up. This up. Right this up. Find this up. Run this up. I'm one bush land. He a got over. Live the way for the masses. Love us. I got back in the bush land. Until next time.